Okay, this is a question from Psle exam, Singapore Mathematics Psle. This is a question from one of the past year paper. And this kind of question is quite common in Psle. For this question, it tests your understanding on pattern. Okay, so look at the table. You have figure number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So everyone have different number of triangle, circle, and different total number of triangle and circle. So when we want to predict the next number, we have to notice the difference between them. Let's say 2 to 5, 5 to 4, 9 to 15. Okay, 2 to 5, we can try to add 3 plus 3. 5 to 9, okay, 5 to 9, it will be plus 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 14 minus 9, 5. So the pattern is plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. The next one should be plus 6. So this should be 20. Okay. Come to here. 2 to 4 plus 2. 2 goes to 3 with plus 3. 4 goes to 7 with plus 3. 7 goes to 11 with plus 4. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this should be 16. Okay, it's easier you want to predict figure 5 because you can just plus the number, the next number. Now the total number, you notice that all these number are square number. All these number can be square root. So 4 is 2 square. That means 2 times 2. 9, 3 square. 3 times 3, 9. 16, 4 square. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. So the next one should be 6 times 6. 6 square, 36. Now you get the answer for figure 5. Look at question B. A figure in the pattern has a total of 100 triangle and circle. What is the figure number? Okay, now you have to find the relationship between the total number and the figure number. You notice that all the total number are square number. The number that can be square root. So let's see the pattern between figure number and the total number. Okay. Now you should notice that figure number 1, you have to square 2 to get 4. Figure number 2, you square 3. Figure number 3, you square 4. So the figure number is always less than the one less than the number here that you square. Let's say you have 100 total number. 100 is actually 10 squared. 10 times 10 equals to 100. So since we have noticed that figure number is one number less than it, so for 10 square, the figure number should be 9. It follows the pattern. Okay, so for question B, the answer is 9. Now look at question C. Another figure in the pattern has 50 more triangle than circle. Okay, now we have to look at the difference between triangle and circle. What is the total number of triangle and circle in the figure? Now, let's find out the difference one by one here. First one, the difference is 0. Second figure, the difference is 1. Third, the difference is 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 14 minus 11, 3. So you can see the pattern, they are increasing by 1 from figure 1 onward. So when we come to the different 50 more triangle than circle. When we come to a different 50, what would be the figure number? The figure number is always one more than the number here. So this one should be 51. Figure 51, and on the figure 51, they have 50 triangle more than circle. Okay, the figure number is one more than the number different. Okay, now we look at the question. They want the total number of triangle and circle. Okay, so just now we say that the figure number is 1 less than the number that's square here. Okay, the figure number is 1 less than the figure we square here. So the number we square, what number should we square here? The number we square here should be 1 more than the figure number. So it should be 52. Okay, so from the 50 more, we can predict that the figure number is 51 because their difference is always the figure number is always 1 more than the number different. So this is figure 51, and then the total number is always is also 1 number more than the figure number. We square the number that is 1 more than the figure number. So 51, 1 more, 52. 52 square. So the answer is 52 times 52. 2,704. This is your answer. So the total number on figure 51, the total number on figure 51 have 50 more triangle than a circle, and it have a total number of triangle and circle of 2,704.